3 seconds. Thailanders, time check, it's 9 a.m. in the morning, and right now, here at our meeting place, dito pa rin sa Astoria Station 1, beachfront. So I'm just waiting for my guest na 34 na magpa-private island hopping for today. But the good thing about this island hopping, mga ka-islanders, is very special for me. Why? It's because iba yung boat na sasakyan namin. Instead of a regular or a normal boat, we're gonna ride a surprise boat. Surprise boat, we're gonna ride a party boat. So, kailangan ko siyang i-vlog for promotion. At the same time, I wanna show you guys kung gaano kaganda yung boat na ipapakita ko sa inyo for today's video. And as you can see, this is part of inclusions ng ating island hopping. So we have this inflatable, diba? Ang shala-shala ng ating, anong tawag dito? Peacock, the inflatable, which is magagamit yan ng ating mga ka-islanders later na magpa-party boat. Alright mga ka-islanders, so andito na yung ating mga VIP guests for today's activities! Yes! Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Yes, they're so excited. We have waters and board. So sasakay na kami ng boat, party boat. So I'm so excited kasi it's my first time na sasakyan itong boat, and this boat is so good. Bagong-bago, and I so loved it. I mean, and ayun yung ating mga guests sa likod. Kaya ka naman, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Hyper ng ating mga guests for today's activity. Yan yung mga gusto mong vibe. Yung kahit na puyat ka, wala kang tulog. Diba? Go na go pa rin sila sa lahat ng mga activity. Ready ka na ba?
Ready na!
To conquer the world. Conquer the world. Ay na yung boat natin. Yan. Yang napakaganda na yan. Sasakay lang sila ng Roro. Going to Batangas Port. Yeah.
Sinabi ko lang mga feature na sa luxury Boracay. Yes ka na. Meron pa isa. Kuya, kailangan ko ng extender.
May ano naman. Alright, so napaka-energetic talaga ng ating mga Thailanders for today's activity. I'm just a satisfied tour guide and a happy tour guide for today na ako yung naging tour guide nila. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to be your tour guide. And if you guys want to book me as your tour guide dito sa Boracay Island, all you have to do is to message us sa ating Facebook and Instagram page, Luxury Sports. And we will definitely give you the luxury experience you could have imagined. Diba? So Kailanders, you see those people? Ang mga nag-island hopping for today, ang daming mga bangka dito sa Coral Garden. Ayan, sobrang napakaganda talaga ng ating boat dito. So, alam niyo na yung mga eksena sa buhay, kontakin niyo ako. Luxury Sports Boracay, Instagram page and Facebook page. So pwede kayo mag-sliding upstairs, tapos naligo, mag-snorkeling.
Papukuan nila sila. Bro! So ipapaupo ng walang isip.
Guys, upo muna tayo kasi medyo tumatagin ito natin doon.
Guys, andito na kami sa aming first destination dito sa anong tawag dito? Coral Garden, kung saan currently ay nag-snorkeling, nag-cliff jumping, and nag-sliding ang ating mga ka-islanders. I guess na nag-island hopping today. So, ito yung first na activity na ginawa namin. And later on, yung second na activity which is paddleboarding, kayaking, etc. Okay?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Ah, yes! Ayan o, tingnan nyo sila. Sobrang happy nila. Sobrang enjoy sila sa ginagawa nila. Ganito lang dito sa sa Boracay Islanders. It's very simple lang yung buhay, happiness lang. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-Boracay Island in the future, I suggest to make the most out of it every day na kinakount natin sa pag-sustain nyo dito sa Boracay Island. Dapat memorable, dapat mayroong kayo maiiwan na memorabilia dito sa bawat activity na gagawin ninyo. So, I suggest na if you guys to visit Boracay Island at naghahanap ng water sports activities, kami na to ang luxury sports po, ang buong pusong tatanggap at magbibigay sa inyo ng saya, ligaya at unforgettable memories sa inyong lahat. So kami na to, yes! Dito na kami sa aming second activity, yung paddleboarding, crystal kayak, regular kayak. Yun po yung ating second activity for today. Ayan na yung ating mga guests. Nag-crystal kayak na sila. Nandito pala kami ngayon sa Angol Beach, sa pinakadulo ng station. They are starting their second activity. And go lang! Yes! Kanina ka pa dyan!
Kaya nga eh.
Merong nangyari, ba't tinawag?
What are you doing there? So patapos na po kami mga Islanders. Ayan. So just arrived at the launch area dito sa Tampisaat with this gorgeous, beautiful girl. So mauna na lang kami. Alright.
Anong food po?
Seafood.
Fresh?
Yeah.
Freshly.
O diba, sa wakas, natapos na namin yung island tour and they are ready to eat the boodle fight setup na inihanda ko for them. And I think they are very happy and satisfied with the outcome, with the result of the boodle fight and at the same time overall experience with island hopping. So I'm so happy. Thank you so much. So this is how you do it. Yeah. Yup. Yes.
Nagbanyo. Oh, may ano. Ay, okay, Daddy Jamil. Ate Open. Roll in the prayers and share the only here.
Lord, thank you for all the blessings that you give to us. All right, right.
Sino gusto mag-play? Kung hindi pa play mo dito.
Wala na po. Mga cover naman lahat to.
Happy tour guide here. I mean, nakakaiyak at saka at the same time Super nakaka-proud. Thank you especially to Miss Sarah Lagaas and the fam. Thank you so much for booking your yacht cruise and your party boat with us for your island hopping. And of course, the Budol Fight setup na pinagmamalaki ng luxury sports. Sa luxury sports na lang yan nakikita mga kailanders. Kung interesado kayo, mag-book yung water sports activities, especially yacht cruise or island hopping, please message us sa ating official Facebook and Instagram page, Luxury Sports. Dito po yung information natin. So, happy eating! Yeah.